Suggestion. None two Chinese nationals based in Harare have been apprehended in Lusaka, Zambia. The reason? They were caught with a staggering 29.9 kilograms of gold and $200,000 in cash, hidden ingeniously inside their vehicle's door panels. The gold, valued at an estimated $2.3 million, was found in a Toyota Land Cruiser Prado bearing Zimbabwean license plates. The vehicle was registered to Jiao Changson, hinting at a possible smuggling operation originating from Zimbabwe. Zambia's Inspector General of Police, Grafel Musamba, disclosed that the arrests followed a crucial tip-off received on August 12, 2024. The information pointed to a vehicle suspected of transporting precious stones. Swift police action led to the vehicle being impounded and the subsequent arrest of Jiao Changson, 58, and Zhao Yanjing, 46. Both are now facing severe charges. Stay tuned as this story develops and follow us for more updates on this unfolding drama.